If you're new, my name is Ashley and this is Agent Renovation, where we provide tips and tricks for new agents and existing agents that want to master their game of prospecting. In today's video, I want to talk about a big pitfall in real estate. And to be honest, it's one of the largest pitfalls that agents fall into. Not only new agents fall into this pitfall, I've seen agents that are existing for years that have also fallen into this pitfall. The pitfall is not properly prioritizing tasks when there are listings on the table. As an agent, when you're prospecting and you suddenly get a lot of listings, you need to keep your priorities in order. So what do I mean by this? You need to keep your priorities in order as you begin to get more and more listings. You have to remember what got you to the point of obtaining those listings. It was your prospecting. Yes, when you start getting listings, you still need to prioritize your prospecting ahead of your servicing. Your prospecting always needs to be treated like a business appointment. Just as you wouldn't skip on going to a new listing appointment or a closing for a sale, you shouldn't be skipping on yourself for your prospecting dates and scheduled activities. Over the years, I have trained countless agents and I have experienced watching this happen firsthand in almost the same way every time. An agent comes on board, I teach them how to properly prospect. They get super excited. They get their schedule concrete. Next thing you know, they're on a streak. They're going every day hitting those doors just like they plan to. And then they start winning. The listings start coming in. And next thing you know, they start skipping their prospecting. All of a sudden, they have to go to an inspection appointment or they have a feature sheet, something they've got to do. All these things associated with servicing their listings somehow bump their prospecting right off their page. And next thing you know, they're not prospecting at all. And why this is such a great pitfall is if you are to do this, that listing that you have that you're prioritizing will sell. And then guess what? You're not going to have any new leads in your pipeline. You need to continue to prospect even when you get your listings. Prospecting should always come before servicing. Your clients are still gonna get 100% grade A service from you, but you wanna do it after you've done your prospecting. You have enough time in your day when you organize your day properly to do your prospecting and service your listings in the afternoons. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my short tip about how to keep your priorities in order when those listings start coming in. Again, this has been Ashley from Agent Renovation, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.